Your next car could be the 2023 Hyundai Kona. Take a closer look at the sophisticated and versatile Kona. This fun-loving subcompact crossover delivers distinctive style, a comfortable cabin, touchscreen infotainment, advanced safety features, and a spirited, agile driving experience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, heated mirrors, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control. Feel the freedom to have fun when you're behind the wheel of this spirited Kona. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.